How to stay safe in Vietnam. Vietnam is an incredibly safe place to backpack and travel. Violent crime is rare, though petty theft can occur. Always keep your valuables secure when out and about just to be safe. There are some common scams in Vietnam, such as the motorbike scam where vendors try to charge you for pre-existing damage to your bike rental. When renting anything, take photos and videos beforehand just in case. Be sure to always count your change. The money is similar looking here, so oftentimes people will mistakenly give you the wrong change, hoping you won't notice that the 200,000 VND bill you just got is actually only 20,000. Always count your change here. Most scams here are really just people trying to nickel and dime you and try to get you to spend extra money, since they know, as a tourist, you have more than they do. Solo female travelers should generally feel safe here. However, the standard precautions apply: never leave your drink unattended at the bar, never walk home alone intoxicated, etc. If you experience an emergency, dial 113 for assistance. Be sure to make copies of your important documents in case of theft. The most important piece of advice I can offer is to purchase good travel insurance. Travel insurance will protect you against illness, injury, theft, and cancellations. It's comprehensive protection in case anything goes wrong. I never go on a trip without it, as I've had to use it many times in the past. Please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to stop missing out on future videos and fantastic information.